Hi, so today I want to make a wonderful exercise to release tension out of the body. We all could use a little support and tension release, and this is a very simple one to do. Think of the image of like tossing a ball. So we're going to toss our energy and release it out of the body. So this is particularly good for the organs. It's great for the nerves, deep into the bones. So let's begin with a nice upright posture. Drop your tailbone, let your spine be nice and long, let your feet be about shoulder width and parallel. Drop your shoulders down and take a nice breath in and lift the arms to the side. And now that one arm come in front and one arm go behind you. Inhale, let's lift. Exhale, let's do the other side. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth. And now let's begin to shift the weight slightly. So let's follow that front arm and shift over the right, and now let's shift to the left. And of course you can work at your own speed. You can do this fairly slowly. Or if you're feeling a lot of tension, you may want to pick up the pace a little bit and really toss away that tension that's being held in the body. So we're going to find a fairly medium pace for ourselves for this exercise, for this practice of it. And I'm going to invite you to bring your focus to your lungs. And as we focus on the lungs can feel very heavy. So let's release any grief, sadness, or sense of depression that might be housed in your lungs, and just toss that away like you would toss a ball. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And then let's bring our focus to the kidneys and then let go of any fear, any sense of insecurity, any sense of loneliness. Helping that any lower back pain you might be having. Releasing that to the side. And then bring your focus to your liver. Liver's on the right side of the abdomen. And we're going to help release any frustration, any anger, any sense of jealousy, any sense of closed-mindedness, narrow thinking. And then move your focus to your heart. Let's help release stress, anxiety, any sense of energy that blocks your internal peace. And then we'll focus on the spleen, more on the left side, and the pancreas and the stomach, more in the center of your abdomen. Helping that digestive organs as we release the worry and overthinking, any sense of mistrust, anything that has you unrooted and not feeling connected with this beautiful planet, which is our home. And a few more times, just getting a sense of that last little bit, releasing as we toss one hand in front, one hand in back. Good. And we'll finish by going one more over to the left, one more to the right, and then pause, take a few deep breaths. Just feel how that's activated the energy. It's moving down through you, beginning to release so you can have a wonderful day. So I hope that helps. Have that wonderful day. Take care.